All right, do me a favor, shut the car off.
What?
Shut the car off.
I know my rights. They try to violate my rights. Alright, this is a public space. I can sit in my car. Yo, Melissa, call my mom right now! Call Joey and call my mama!
What if the order that started this entire confrontation had no legal basis? Every action that followed would be constitutionally invalid from the first command.
Going out for 9756.
That's fine.
9197.
That's fine.
Did you guys call us?
No? That's fine.
All right, do me a favor, shut the car off.
For what?
Shut the car off. Shut the car off. Do me a favor, shut the car off.
For what? We didn't call you. We're on the phone.
All right. You there?
No, I live here, but I locked myself out.
We didn't call you. That's what we're telling you.
Okay.
We didn't call you.
Okay, I understand. What were you guys just doing?
What are you talking about?
I'm in front of
Yeah, hello?
4149.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was gonna meet you for the key. Yeah.
Okay, Mark. Thank
Alright,
you.
man.
Where are you guys coming from?
Huh?
Where are you guys coming
I
from?
live here on apartment 203.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
She was trying to
Just keep the car shut off. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Keep the car shut off.
And I'm telling you, my car's
Keep
not,
the car shut off.
My car's not on, but
Yeah,
I'm
we're
telling
good. We're good. Just
you. So why are you being so hostile?
okay. I'm not hostile. I just told you to shut the car off. That's it.
But you don't have the right to tell me that. I'm not
Okay,
the person you're looking
okay.
for.
Where you at?
So it doesn't matter.
She was just trying to help me get in my apartment.
I'm at building 4149. I'm out 52.
Hey,
Can you shut the car off?
why I'm not the person you're looking for
shut
in
the car
question? You guys walked up to us.
There's officers telling you to shut the car
Right,
off.
but I don't have to do that. I know my rights. He walked up investigating something else. I'm sitting in my car. We're having a conversation. We're on the phone. I'm not who you're looking for.
Okay.
So regardless of
Until
whatever
we determine that's what we're gonna
but
figure
you
out.
just harassed a random person. I'm sitting in my car. I can do that. I don't have to cut my car off. No, Miss Melissa, I know my rights, and they try to violate my rights. All right, this is a public space. I can sit in my car. He walked up to us, asking us to shut my car off. My car was already on when he pulled up.
Okay.
We're on the phone. Whatever the y'all looking for, that ain't got shit to do with us. We can sit in our car.
So that's what we're here investigating,
Right, so you can investigate that, but I don't have to cut off my car because you're doing the investigation.
Okay, so
I'm not part of your investigation.
so while we're doing this, and you go to pull off.
I didn't pull off. I wasn't going to pull off.
So
My
you
car
did,
was
but
already
that's why
on
we
when you
asked
pulled
people to
up.
turn the car off.
I don't have to do that. If you're uncomfortable with that, that's fine. But
Just
I was
stand
sitting
by
there.
until we get further.
Right,
information.
okay. Close my door, please. No, I do not. You can close my door and I can roll down my window. Right, no. I can close my door and we can roll down my window. He opened my door. Yes, he did. He opened my door.
Yeah.
What do you mean it's not closing?
You have your ID?
Hold on. I ain't gotta give you shit, bro. You let me
Step out of the car
do
real
not
quick.
touch me, no.
Step out of the car real quick.
Hey, call my mama.
Ma'am, do you have your ID?
Why? Does it matter? I'm sitting in my car. I'm not part of. Okay, so then do your investigation. No, you do not. I don't got a name. I don't have to answer no questions. I know my fucking rights. What's wrong with y'all?
Please step out of the vehicle.
No, I will not, sir. You violating my
If you
rights.
don't step out, we're gonna pull you out.
No,
You
you're
understand?
not. Hey, Ma. Hey, call my mama right now. Call my mama right now.
Here, step out.
Hey, don't touch me, bro. Hey, stop, bro. Y'all can't do this. I know my rights. Call my mama right now, Miss Melissa. Hey, stop playing with me. Bro, y'all want some bullshit, bro.
Easy.
Yeah, one is all y'all weak ass. Bro, stop playing with me, bro. I know my rights. Yo, Melissa, call my mom right now. Call Joey and call my mama. Yo, y'all. Stop, bro. I swear to God, y'all did. What's wrong with y'all? You sit in their car. Wonder why I finna pull off on his ass. I'm sitting in my car with my car already on. Melissa, grab my A. Bro, get the off of me, bro. You ain't gotta put your knees on me. It's 5 of y'all against 1. Get the off. What's wrong with y'all hoes?
Nobody's got their knee on you. Stop moving.
Bro, what the
Relax.
You're gonna
Bro,
make
you can't tell me to relax. It's
You're gonna tie in the handcuffs.
I don't give a Y'all can't tell me to relax. I'm sitting in my car. Do y'all investigation. What's wrong with y'all? You ain't gotta ask me shit. That's just like me sitting. What?
Listen, I'm gonna roll you over.
What?
Listen.
What?
Listen to me.
Speak up. What?
You got a big ass dent in the
Okay, the deal. What the? That deal was already there.
Okay.
You just making assumptions. You dumb as.
Get in the crowd.
Bro, you find your own crime.
No, you're staying down. Stay down.
Bro, sit me on the hood of my car, bro.
No, you're staying down.
Bro, you're not gonna put me on the ground. Hey, Melissa!
Relax. What's your name?
Because y'all harassing me, suck my.
What's your name? What's your name? Ma'am, what's your name?
I don't got a name. Get the phone. I'm sitting in my car outside my place.
Okay, I just got.
What y'all talking about? Okay, so they control your peoples. What's out of here?
I'm trying to talk to
How
you.
about we start with you? Just take a breath and relax.
Bro, how about you suck my. You in my business? I can sit outside my own house and do what I want.
You really want me to do that?
Private property. Yeah, suck it. Turn around. Matter of fact, I shove my foot up your ass too.
Alright, let me put her in the car.
You want to threaten law enforcement?
Hey,
Another charge.
hey, it's not a charge. Freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. I can say what I want. Freedom of speech. Suck my.
You want to put her in the
Did I physically touch you? Okay then. Freedom of speech. First Amendment right. Melissa, get my shit, bro. Hey, Melissa, get my phone. Bro, y'all on that bullshit.
Don't do that shit. Don't do that.
Y'all can't put me in the car, bro.
Yeah, we are. Don't kick me.
Don't get me. I'm kicking you.
Watch this. Watch this. Come on.
How do we know this is the car? That's what I want to know.
So, does this car pulled up to? Did you try to like climb into the patio or something in here?
Yeah, she did.
All right. So, what they pulled the car like up to a screen? Because that's why we got the call. Someone called and
Yes.
said a car crashed into a building. That's why the fire
Crashed?
tester
No.
pulled into a building, like
Yeah.
a screen area.
She was trying to help me.
Yeah. So where's your apartment at?
203.
Can we walk over there real quick?
Yeah, my purse.
No, you have 15 cops. Yeah, you'll be. I think you'll be okay.
Right there where the Christmas tree is.
Right where? On this building here?
Yeah.
Oh, this one right here.
No. With,
This
oh,
building
yeah,
right
that
here?
one. Yeah.
All right. And where did she pull her car up to?
Right there.
Okay, so she pulled her car and okay, so this is it.
Yeah.
So all right,
I gotta get the screen first.
all right. So we
She
got
was
the
just
call.
trying to help me.
All right, but so we got the call is that somebody crashed a car into the building. That's what they called, but then now they're climbing. They've never seen her before, and they were trying to climb from the car to get into the apartment.
She
So
was trying to help me. I was going to dinner at my ex-husband's house with his girlfriend, and my dog is over there, my emotional support dog.
okay,
So she brought me here to try to get him to my apartment, and I can't get in.
did she bump the screen or anything at all with the car? Because the lady
No.
said she heard like a loud noise when the car hit the building. The caller on
Not
this.
that I
I
know
think it was
of.
one of your neighbors. Obviously, probably looked outside, scared crapless that some cars like parked right outside of their building or whatever it may be.
Right.
So, okay. So she just parked her car, just drove it over here.
Over here to try to climb up there to my
And-
balcony.
Why is she acting like this?
I don't know
This
her
is-
that well. I don't know her that well.
So that is,
How you guys together? You don't know that well.
Because she's my
she was gonna go get dinner with her ex-husband and her girlfriend, and that's their
bring
daughter.
her?
she's his daughter. She's my ex-husband's girlfriend's daughter.
Was she coming to pick you up, or how was?
No, she was trying to help me get into my apartment.
I
So-
get that.
so she
but how
came
are you,
over here.
How,
How
are
did
guys
you- how did
connect-
you guys
I've seen
meet
you
today?
connected.
Because they sent her over here to get me and my dog the first time, and I was rushing and forgot my purse on my coffee table.
The law draws a precise line between a police request and a detention. Which side of that line officers were on at the first moment determines everything. Terry v. Ohio 1000. 968 established the two-tier standard still applied in every courtroom today. A consensual encounter requires no justification, a detention does. The threshold for a lawful detention is reasonable articulable suspicion. Officers must identify specific, observable facts connecting this individual to criminal activity. Proximity to a reported incident is not sufficient. Suspicion must attach to the specific person being stopped, not merely to the surrounding area. A dispatch call alone does not satisfy the Terry standard. Corroborating facts connecting this individual to the reported event are required. Under the Fourth Amendment, a vehicle interior is a constitutionally protected space. Courts apply the same foundational standard as they do to the interior of a private home. Opening a vehicle door without consent is not equivalent to looking through a window. It is a physical intrusion into a protected space requiring independent legal justification. 3 exceptions permit warrantless entry into a vehicle: voluntary consent, exigent circumstances, or the automobile exception requiring probable cause. Where none of these exceptions apply, the entry is unlawful. Evidence derived from it is subject to suppression under the exclusionary rule from Mapp v. Ohio 1000, 961, Graham v. Connor 1000, 989 is the controlling standard for all use of force analysis. Force must be objectively reasonable at the precise moment it is applied, not evaluated in hindsight. Courts weigh three factors: the severity of the alleged offense, whether the subject poses an immediate physical threat, and whether active resistance is occurring. One principle courts consistently apply: if the underlying command was unlawful, the right to use force to enforce it does not automatically follow. City of Houston v. Hill 1000, 987. Profane and confrontational speech directed at law enforcement is First Amendment protected expression. The government cannot punish speech it finds offensive. The true threat exception requires credible, imminent physical danger, words spoken in frustration. Absent physical action do not reach that legal threshold. Peerbell v. 6th Judicial District 2004. Stop and identify statutes are constitutional, but the duty to identify presupposes a lawful underlying detention. Without one, no duty exists. Lesson 1. An unlawful Terry stop taints every action that follows. Under the fruit of the poisonous tree doctrine, the contamination extends to the arrest itself. Lesson 2. Civility under Section 1000. 900D, 983 attaches to any government actor who violates a clearly established constitutional right. Good intentions are not a defense. Lesson 3. Knowing constitutional rights and exercising them effectively are not the same skill. The legal remedy for an unlawful detention is through the courts, not through physical resistance. The question this case leaves open is not procedural. It is foundational. Did officers establish Terry reasonable suspicion before issuing the very first command? If they did not, the detention, the vehicle entry, the exit order, and the arrest may all carry the same constitutional defect. Each step flows directly from the one before it. What the court records show, and whether these charges survived legal challenge, is the part of this case that tells us whether the system corrected itself.